Top 5 Best Commercial Smoothie Blender. Number 5. Bamix Master Chef. Bamix, the Master Chef Pro 3, is the only immersion blender on the list. There are other brands out there, but Bamix is usually the go-to blender of professional chefs, for numerous reasons. For starters, it's the only hand blender that features heat-resistant nylon and brass. By having so, it can handle piping hot recipes. Plus, it's the sole stick blender capable of numerous cycles per day. Besides, their unique motor combined with an open cage bell guard is just as capable as powerful immersion blenders, maybe even better. The Bamix Pro 3 comes with a long shaft, making it perfect for batch recipes. To put it into perspective, it can puree 5 gallons worth of soup in just one cycle. Finally, it comes with 3 interchangeable blades, making it the Swiss knife of professional kitchens. There's the standard blending blade for pureeing, crushing ice, or chopping. Then, there's a beater blade for meringue, whipped cream, or foam. Lastly, it has a whisk blade for mayonnaise, dressings, and mashed potatoes. Coming in number 4. Waring CB15T. Waring CB15T commercial blender is a totally different beast. It's not in the same league as the Vitamix Quiet One or Blendtec Stealth. The CB15T model is more of a food prep machine rather than a commercial bar blender. It's ideal for back-of-the-house operation for high-volume kitchens. It ships with a 1-gallon stainless steel container, which is big enough for 16 to 20 servings of soup in one cycle. In terms of capacity, Waring CB15T is the product to beat. While its container is quite heavy, stainless steel is generally safer for food. It won't react with acid and won't release toxins when exposed to extreme heat. It's not an issue when making green smoothies and milkshakes. However, that's something that you need to take into account when preparing hot food. The brand has been around for decades, and they are still one of the best makers of commercial-grade blenders. Apart from CB15T, they also offer a cheaper alternative to the Quiet One and Blendtec Stealth. If you need a commercial immersion blender, it's also part of their catalog. I included all of Waring's products in the full review, so be sure to check it out. Coming in number 3. Blendtec Stealth 885. Blendtec Stealth 885 is the proper contender of Vitamix. It's as quiet, but it packs more power and a higher number of automatic blending presets. To be exact, it comes with 42 pre-programmed cycles. I guess you'll find something there that will match your current product offering. If not, you can also create your own cycles. Vitamix also does this. However, this is undoubtedly the domain of Blendtec. Why it's one of the best commercial blenders? A powerful motor is Blendtec's trademark. You've been living under a rock if you haven't seen their viral Will It Blend campaign. Blendtec machines can even grind a smartphone. It can obliterate anything on its path. One thing that I like about the brand is their rapid rinsing station, which doubles as a rack for stacking multiple containers. And before I forget, they have a more up-to-date version of Blendtec Stealth 895 NBS with Nitro system. It has an accessory where you can blend directly from your customer's disposable cup. Coming in number 2. Cleanblend Commercial Blender. If you're looking for a heavy-duty blender that doesn't require a significant amount of investment, that's where Cleanblend Commercial Blender excels. It's a decent cheap blending machine for your food truck business or perhaps your back-of-the-house puree equipment. I'd like to point out right away that it's not ideal as a bar blender. It's too loud for making smoothies or milkshakes for a dine-in setting. At 90 decibels, it's close to the sound of a lawnmower. You'll scare away your customers with this kind of noise. Now let's talk about the good stuff. The Cleanblend comes with a 3-horsepower motor that is equally capable as Vitamix the Quiet One. It can pulverize anything on its path, as the company puts it. It's great for smoothies, milkshakes, pureeing soups, nut butter, sauces, and so on. When you purchase this cheap commercial blender, you'll get a 64 ounces BPA-free container and a food tamper. The best part about it is it comes with a 5-year product guarantee. Coming in number 1. Vitamix the Quiet One. Vitamix the Quiet One is indeed the most silent blending machine in the market. Its noise reduction technology is next to none. No one comes close to its 64 decibel rating. When you're opening a dine-in restaurant, you really need to consider the sound of your blending machine. You would want to build a relaxing atmosphere. Perhaps play a little music, or give your diners the chance to have a pleasant conversation. On top of that list, Vitamix also offers a range of accessories to streamline your business operation. They have a handy rinse station. I highly recommend it if you need to make hundreds upon hundreds of smoothies in a single day. It's the quickest way to wash your container in between recipes. Why Vitamix the Quiet One is the best commercial blender? Vitamix is the #1 blender brand. Conversational quiet operation. It's the official commercial blender of Starbucks. It has 34 quick blend presets. Ships with an easy pour container. You can have it on counter or built in. Straightforward to use.